In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Upwork agency account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to choose a plan that fits your team. Before we begin, make sure you already have an active Freelancer account on Upwork and that you're signed in on a desktop browser. You'll be creating the agency under that existing account, so being logged in keeps everything simple and connected. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website in the results. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your Upwork dashboard. If not, sign in first so you can access your profile and settings. You can also go directly to Upwork.com if you prefer, but using Google works just as well. Once you're on Upwork, look to the top right corner and click your profile photo or avatar. From the drop-down, choose your profile to open your Freelancer profile page. Next, find and click Profile Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage all account details. In the left-hand menu, select Contact Info. This is where Upwork places the option to create additional account types associated with your profile, including an agency. Inside Contact Info, look for the option to create a new agency account and click it. You'll be asked to enter your agency name. Pick something clear, professional, and easy to remember. Avoid using other companies' trademarks or anything too similar to existing brands. If your preferred name isn't available, try slight variations that still reflect your services. Once you're happy with the name, click Continue to move forward. Now you'll land on the membership selection page. Here, you can choose an agency plan that matches your goals and anticipated activity. Plans can include different levels of connects and features to help you bid and manage work. If you're just exploring or not ready to bid yet, you can choose to browse without bidding. That lets you set up your agency presence and look around, and you can upgrade or add a plan later when you're ready to submit proposals. Keep in mind that submitting proposals typically requires connects and a plan that supports agency bidding. That's it. You've created your agency foundation. After this setup, you can return to your agency settings anytime to polish your profile, add a logo, describe your services, and invite team members once you're ready. If Upwork asks for verification later, follow the prompts so your agency remains compliant and discoverable. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your agency on Upwork.